2024 Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 400R. In the realm of entry-level sport motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400R emerges as a compelling choice, offering a perfect fusion of performance and accessibility tailored for novice riders seeking to embark on their sport bike journey. Recognized as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners, the Ninja 400R seamlessly blends modern design, exhilarating performance, and rider-friendly features, exemplifying Kawasaki's commitment to crafting machines that strike an optimal balance between cost-effectiveness, approachability, and the sheer joy of sport bike riding. In 2024, the Ninja 400R continues to captivate entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the excitement of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling. 1. Sleek and aggressive design. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R boasts a sleek and aggressive design that is unmistakably ninja, with its sharp lines, twin headlights, and aerodynamic fairings. The sport bike exudes a dynamic and contemporary presence on the road, capturing the essence of Kawasaki's commitment to cutting-edge design. The Ninja 400R's aesthetic appeal not only enhances its visual allure but also reflects the high-performance capabilities within. 2. Potent parallel twin engine for thrilling performance. At the heart of the Ninja 400R lies a potent 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a thrilling blend of accessible power and high-revving excitement. Kawasaki's engine design emphasizes a smooth power curve, making it an ideal choice for novice riders looking to experience the exhilaration of sport bike riding. The Ninja 400R's engine provides ample power for city commuting, spirited rides, and highway cruising, offering a versatile platform for riders to explore the full spectrum of high-performance motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and sport-tuned suspension. Designed for nimble handling, the Kawasaki Ninja 400R features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and precise handling make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, tackle corners with finesse, and experience the thrill of sport bike dynamics. The Ninja 400R's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the excitement of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Ninja 400R features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The sport bike offers a sporty yet accommodating seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an optimized riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Kawasaki's commitment to rider comfort makes the Ninja 400R not only a high-performance option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and spirited rides. 5. Integration of advanced features. The 2024 Ninja 400R seamlessly integrates advanced features to enhance the overall riding experience. A modern instrument cluster, optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, and Kawasaki's renowned engineering prowess add contemporary functionality without compromising the bike's accessibility. Kawasaki ensures that the Ninja 400R remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cutting-edge performance with essential safety features. Conclusion. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400R stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners. Its sleek design, potent parallel twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of advanced features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, conquering twisty roads, or embracing the thrill of high-speed riding, the Ninja 400R encapsulates the spirit of Kawasaki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400R rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of sport motorcycles for beginners.